Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make the final layout editing and so that you can print your map. So I'll try to make this video a little quicker. So here you do all those layout editing works in the layout view. So here I already have the grid. If I don't have the grid, so I define this grid here. I had the grid as defined here as in my previous videos. So now let me define my paper size. uh, Let me define my paper size. I use the printer paper settings. I don't use the printer paper settings, I mean, so let me increase this just in case if I run into a problem. I just increase by 1 cm so that edges are not cleared while printing, so it can happen. So 85, just uh, okay. Now let's see. Yeah, now let me keep it here to the original size. Now the grid is filled, so if I zoom into the points, zoom to left, so now this is. Now let me insert a north arrow first. North arrow. Okay, this looks good. Where did that go? Where did that go? Let me press Ctrl Z. Yeah, it's here. Let me increase its size a bit. That's good. Let me insert some. Let me insert the title, topographic map. Topographic map. So I need to add some more text. So here in right click, it must be here, properties. Topographic map, something. Training center. That's okay. Let me increase the size. 14, 20 would be good. See, yeah, I have it. So now let me insert the legend. Yeah, this legend. So in the legend, you have to notice one thing. The things you have as save files in the table of contents, you get these in your legends. So let me show you that first. Yeah, this one. See what you have here in your table contents. You have these as your legend items. So I would recommend you to make different save files for different layers. For example, building, a road, say poles, lamp poles, trees. You make different save files for different layers, and you get all those items as legend items here. I can remove this. Yeah, at this points I don't need my points. Let me see. You can just add, remove from here. Next, let's see, border. Okay, that's okay. Contour. This is okay. This is okay. See, I have it here. Or you can play around with this legend. Let's see. I double click this. to change how it looks, you can just play around with this legend. Mhm. Oh, I think I don't have much to show here, but you just play around this with this legend. You have to explore in order to learn. So now again, I would like to, yeah, I need the scale text and scale bar. So let me insert a scale bar. You remember we don't use miles here. In most times we use kilometers. So I'd search here something writing kilometers. Yeah, double this should, I think this should be good. Let's see. Zoom in. Yeah, this looks good. Nice. So let me insert scale text in absolute scale or in whatever you would like. So I double click it to get the properties. I did in 5 units. What happened? 5. Get it 10 then. Yeah, now this looks good. Check here. What you have here is what you have here. If I keep it 500, I get 500 there. That's it. What you have here is what you have there. You don't get to edit this text. You have to edit here your map scale. Now I have the map scale. This looks good. So here additionally you can insert pictures objects, or you can also insert a new data frame. Okay, let me show you what a data frame is. So in this data frame you can add anything you have as you have in this layers. So I in this new data frame in GIS, in this new data frame I add my previous tin. Let's see. Okay, this tin. Let's see, I have this now in this data frame as tin. I add this additional data. So I think this, okay, here additional data, and I can even modify this. Let's see, I can even modify this. Okay, in the symbology, let's classify it into 10 equal intervals, and the break value I can also 13, 43, 13, 44, 13, 45, 59, 50, 13, 51, 13, 52. Okay, that's okay. The data already gets to here. 51, 52. This much is still left. So I need some more. See, this much data is still left to be classified. So I need to classify in 1343. So 1342 here, and in this 52, 1353. Is that good enough? Oh, that's okay. You can just play around with this also. Yeah, I got to edit this thing. So you can work around. And now let's export this map. Let's keep it here. I think this, why destroy its looks, no? And so I just forgot, I need to show you one more thing. I'll have to show you one more thing. The thing is that you can move this map with this pan tool. Okay, when your map is not perfectly aligned, you can move it. See, do you see it moving? This, yeah, this looks, yeah. Now this, maybe this is good. So let's export this as a I'll export this as a PDF file for printing. So export map. Okay, in the topo map process, I'll export is in printing. It's okay. I'll export it as a PDF, resolution 300 DPI. That's okay. You can change this, play around with this to get a perfect DPI, dots per inch. So now it's exporting the map. When you do all this, you can get a map somehow like this, or a lot better than this. And yeah, you notice the symbology here. You can change this items, this color, symbol types, and you can get those here in the legends as well as in your table of contents, and you can play around with this legends. Okay, let's see. I think I have that exported. Printing, that is, printing is my file. Yeah, this is something that we get. Yeah, this is the grid is okay. Okay, see, this is okay. So and this is how we get to an end of this video lecture series of the very basic uh, map making in GIS. You can play around with all these tools. I recommend you doing that. Play around a lot. You will learn a lot when you do this random experiments with GIS. Thank you for watching, uh, and we'll uh, in the coming days we'll go ahead with some advanced analysis.